music. That's played by the Woodwind family, and that's who we're going to be meeting today. Now, our lesson will be in two parts. The first part will be my introduction to you of this family, and then we have a wonderful, amazing guest teacher, Miss Sharon Green, who teaches in room 31, who's going to share with you a couple of her favorite woodwind instruments. So first of all, let's start with the name of the family, Woodwind. As you can guess, the original members of this family a long, long time ago were made out of wood. Also, though, some of them were made from animal leg bones. Now, don't get freaked out. They didn't kill the animals to make the instruments. They would find them. And the oldest flute in the world was actually made 30,000 years ago from the thigh bone of a big, huge vulture bird. So it's perfect recycling. It doesn't hurt the birds. They're already dead, but you get a beautiful instrument out of it. Now, the second part of the name, wind. All woodwind family instruments have to have air blown into them to make a sound. So if you think of this family today, as we learn about it, as being triangular shaped, the family is a triangle. At the center of the triangle, all of the instruments need air or wind in order to blow. But there are three sides to this family. Now, the family itself in the orchestra, they're a family. They all like to sit together. So you can see them highlighted right here in the middle. They're surrounded by the string family on either side, but here they are right in the middle. Now, the interesting thing about the woodwind family is that it has both the highest playing instrument in the orchestra and the lowest playing instrument in the orchestra. The high playing instrument is called a piccolo. And the piccolo looks like this, and it is actually in real life 13 inches long from the end of my ruler to the beginning of the blue tape. That's how big a real piccolo is. It's the smallest. It plays the highest notes. Now, the biggest, the real bad boy of this orchestra is called the double or contra bassoon. And it's so big that it has to wrap around itself. If you see right here, it goes down, it goes around, and here's where the sound comes out of the bell. If you stretch this guy out to his full length, he will be 16 feet long. That's higher than most people's ceilings in their houses. And because he is so large and so big, he plays lowest notes of the orchestra. Now, Miss Green is going to introduce you to a couple of her favorite instruments. But before I sign off, I'd like to introduce you to one side of the family, which is right down here at the bottom. Instruments that you just blow air into, like the flute that you heard on the music, like the piccolo that you saw, and like this instrument, the recorder. Now, some of you who were in Miss Allen's class and Mrs. Reingold's class, you played this instrument for the holiday program. When you get to 4th grade at Carpenter, all of you will get a recorder, your own, to use, and you will learn to play it. It's a very pretty instrument. We like to use it because it's easy to play. And so you can look forward to this one. But these are the instruments that all you need to play them is you blow air into them. So I'm going to ask you, after you finish this video, you're going to then go back to our Carpenter YouTube channel site, and you're going to look for lesson 6B, and you will get to meet Miss Green and some of her wonderful woodwind instruments. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye.